About the Dyson Airwrap. Is it expensive? Is it worth buying? Yes, the big boy we are talking about. एक Dyson दे दो, हम उतने में खुश हैं. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avni. Today we'll be talking about the Dyson Airwrap. I'm been using it for like past few months. I'll say I'm not a pro, but yeah, I'll show you how it works step by step, and I'll do one hairstyle today for you guys. In this video we'll be talking about the pros and cons as well for the Dyson, because this is a very big question you guys every time ask, like, is it expensive, is it worth buying, and everything. So we'll talk about that in this video, so let's get started. So let's talk about the pros of having Dyson. It's very easy to use. I won't say it's affordable, it's not at all. So unlike the traditional tools we use like the straightener, curlers, it helps to style your hair very quickly and easily, and you don't need to even worry about burning your hair because it protects you from the excessive heat. It also comes with variety of attachments, so you don't need to invest in multiple tools. You just can get one tool and you'll find everything in that. It's like a box filled with gifts. On the other hand, if you talk about the cons of Dyson, it's too pricey, everyone knows that, and I think so everyone cannot afford it. But they can try the other dupes. Market में आ चुके हैं काफ़ी उसके dupes, and those are very affordable, like under the range of 4,000 and everything. And the other con is, like, if you are used to the traditional tools that you used before, you will be very edgy with this product because the tool takes time to get hang of it. It took me like half month, 1.5 month or 1 month, I guess. I don't remember exactly, but it took me some time because it is very, like, confusing how to use it. It took me 2 to 3 tutorials to just understand how should I use it. So I'll be helping you guys as well to how to use it step by step. Here's the big boy we are talking about. It's my precious little baby. It costed me 50, so yeah, it's my precious little baby. कौन कम वक्त कहता है लड़कियों को पैसा चाहिए, हमें एक डाइसन दे दो, हम उतने में खुश हैं. गर्ल्स, यू विल ऑल्सो एग्री कि डाइसन हमारा PS5 है. Boys, if you're seeing it with your girlfriend, you should get a Dyson for them. Must buy. So the Dyson comes with the 6 attachments. One is this one to straight your hair. Second is to tight your curls with. Third is this one. It's like to blow dry. Fourth is the hair dryer. Fifth attachment is to, like, make your hair soft. I don't know, but I'm still trying to use it. And the sixth one is for the loose curls. I usually use this one. It makes my hair more bouncy and a blow dryer look type thing. We'll start by sectioning our hair. I'm taking this much of amount right now. So I'll tell you the modes about the Dyson first. It comes with 3 modes in fan and 3 modes in the heat. Ultra heat, medium heat, and cool temperature. In the fan, normal 3 modes. You can switch it to, like, if you want a fast speed fan or a low speed or a medium speed. Second one done. In this barrel, you have an option to switch from this to this. Right now I'm choosing this one, so मेरे curls थोड़े tighten रहे अंदर की side. So guys, we are halfway there now. I'm taking the other side sections. Bangs को पीछे करते हैं. This way we will take a small section. Comb it. I use this brush, detangler brush. Uh, now it was on this. Now we'll switch it to this one for the other side. Trust me, trust the process. Yeah. My neck hurts, but you still have to go. Now we'll do the top crown part. So for that I'll change this. To unlock it, you'll go by this. This attachment for my sorry. I'll use this attachment for my top crown, my bangs. It will give me a blow dry look. Let's do it. I'm using this tail comb. Just comb the section first. Take the diaphragm and wrap it around it. That's how it works. As you cannot see. I'll give you the final look. You can see the perfect curls. I have a very long hair, so it takes time, but yeah, do it section wise and it will give you a best look that you want. You can see how nicely it gave. So about the question, should you or should you not buy the Dyson Airwrap? Well, it's ultimately depending on you and your budget and the hairstyling needs you have. If you have the budget and want the versatile and easy to use hairstyling tool, then yes, it is worth it. Mark my words, it is worth it. However, if you are on a tight budget or prefer traditional styling tools, on the other hand, it may not be worth it for you to make any kind of investment in it. So, I would suggest if you have a tighter budget, then you can go for the products that come under 4,000, the dupes. It is also very good. I tried those as well. My friend bought it. So you can go with them as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it very helpful and informative. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried Dyson Airwrap before or not. If you're considering buying it, please do mention. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more beauty and lifestyle content. See you in my next video. Bye!